Hello, hello. We're here on Deck 9, the Promenade deck on Carnival Paradise. Let's go take a look. As always, we will start in the forward stairwell elevator bank. In front of us, we have the upper entrance into the Normandy Lounge, which of course we saw in the Deck 8 video. Continuing back, we come to Deck 9 of the atrium, which is also the photo gallery. So they do post your pictures in here. You can also view them in the Hub app as well. So heading this way will take you to the promenade, but first, we'll take a look at the casino. And as you can see, it's a pretty large casino. You can head back. You got your tables in the middle, slots kind of on the way around on the walls. All right, so we're going to move on over to the Carnival Boulevard. Behind us, we have Sushi at Sea. This does cost extra, so here's a look at the menu. Here's just another way out of the casino. There are a couple of them. As we continue back, to the left you just have some place to sit down and look outside if it's daytime. And of course to the right is the casino. We're coming up on the United States Bar, which is of course the casino bar. And if anybody was with me at the very beginning, you'll remember this is where I tried to come and get a mojito at one point. There's a stage over here where they will often have a band playing a variety of music. I have heard rock, country, and a few others, so they play kind of a variety. Over here we have a stairwell that will take you up to the Lido deck. And this is the midship stairwell elevator bank. This will of course take you down to the Elation as well. Continuing back further, we come to the Leonardo Lounge. There's not much happening in here at the moment. Gangway's just open for Cozumel, so everybody's in the process of getting off. But in here, they will do some trivia, some games, and the past few nights has been the home of karaoke, which has been interesting. We'll just say that. Coming out of the Leonardo Lounge, we got some seating on this side. The way we are going, we come to the coffee bar. And now we're coming up to the Rex nightclub, which is of course the happening place to be late night. of course, it is Christmas time, so they do have the gingerbread display out as well. Continuing on past the nightclub, we come to the guest store. To our right, we have a little display that is definitely worth checking out. So this shows various plaques that the ship has received when entering ports for the very first time. And here's the aft elevator bank and stairwell. There are also some restrooms in the very back there as well. Sports on TV. We also have the Rotterdam Bar. And here's the other entrance to the Destiny dining room. So if you head down these stairs, that will take you into the restaurant. So remember, we got two entrances, Deck 8 and Deck 9. And they always have sports back here if you do want to watch them. Continuing back, we come to the Queen Mary Lounge, which is also home of the Punchliner Comedy Club. And just an important note, if you are coming for comedy, make sure you do get there early. It will fill up. At the back of the Queen Mary Lounge, there is a door that leads out to Serenity. This is an adults only area. Out here, there are a few hot tubs, as well as plenty of loungers, and of course those excellent back of the ship views. Alright, this has been a look at Deck 9, the Promenade deck on Carnival Paradise. As always, if you like the content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.